Alam mo, this is becoming one of the most exciting playoffs ever. Ever. Agree?
Forever?
Ever. But gusto kong pumili kayo ng isang team na sa tingin nyo pinaka-dangerous in the playoffs, and magkalinawan tayo dito. Hindi kasali ang Rain or Shine and Alaska kasi nasa taas na sila eh. So, sino yung nasa gitna?
Sino yung manggugulo?
Lower seeds. O, sino yung
Who will crush the party?
manggugulo, manggugulat, mananakot? Sinong team? Charles.
Petron.
Really?
Yeah, I think they have a talented team. Tubid, they barely played him sa last game kasi kakabalik lang niya ata galing sa sore eyes niya. Ewan ko ba ano. But you know, Lutz is back, Tubid's back. Finally, they have a complete lineup, full force. I mean, I'm just interested to see if they get hot. Of course, last game against Air 21, we really wanted them to win, but they lost, so we can blame them. The joke lang. See, but you know,
May hatred.
Amazed ng kabit mo.
but you know, I mean, that game Alex played really bad. You know, he missed
1 out of
everything.
11. Diba?
And you know, despite that they led Air 21 by like 20 points, tapos uminit si KG Caneleta. You know, I think they're a good team, but you know, for some reason they've lost a few straight rin, diba? But,
And Marcio is back, I can tell.
oh, di ako
Yun nga
nagsabi na.
itatanong ko sa'yo, si
Ano?
Charles Chu ba to? Binanggit na si Kabagnot, si Tubid,
Oh,
si Lats. Wala pa sinasabi last
Oh,
time.
di ako yun ha. Di ako for
Charles
the
Chu ba
first
to?
time. Di ako.
Ikaw nag-open, okay.
Oh,
He's
bakit
back.
hindi bad? He's back,
Yeah,
right?
totoo na bigla.
But what can you say about their import? Kasi parang feeling ko, after Ronaldo Balkman, they were struggling to actually get an import who will fit them like Ronaldo
They were
Balkman
struggling?
did. Yeah.
Oh god. I think he's not that bad. I mean,
Parang sinakal. Ganun.
sakal sila.
Nasasakal ngayon ng petrol.
Oo, kasi yung...
Kasi wala na si Balkman.
Kasi wala si Balkman, nanakal kasi.
Sinabi mo talaga eh. No, Sims is not that bad. He can score, but he's not also someone you can give the ball and let him, you know, if you want a sure two, he's not that kind of import.
Does he have enough experience?
Yun rin ang
He's
worry
young,
ko.
he's only 23.
And he seemed like
Yeah.
he disappeared a bit at the end of the game. I mean, against Air 21. So, and that was the first game when they kind of really needed him to do something. Medyo nawala siya eh. Against us, syempre tambak kami, so gumawa talaga siya. But you know, when it matters, I don't know if he's someone you can really trust the ball in his hands to win the game for you.
So teka, sure ka ba na Petron ang pinili mo?
Oh,
Okay,
sila pa rin.
sige,
The
Petron.
locals are good
Kasi parang
enough.
hindi.
The locals are good enough. The locals are good
Okay.
enough.
Bagu.
May posibilidad na maglaban sa quarters yung Petron at Tokentex. Big probability actually. Maglalaban pa yan sa Wednesday. The last game before the last
For
game of the
placing.
elimination round.
Wow.
Kung magkakatapat sila dun sa pairing na yan, sa best of 3, kung sino lulusot doon ako most dangerous? Petron or Tokentex?
Hindi, isa
Sino
lang.
lulusot sa best
Hirap
of 3?
naman nun.
Hindi, isa lang. Isa lang.
Sabi mo kanina, token text ko eh.
Oo nga.
Kung sino mananalo sa Wednesday? Tokentex, hindi kasi nawala na si Kelly.
Isa lang.
O Tokentex, nawala na si Kelly Williams sa kanila, nagpalit ulit sila import dahil nagka-problema si Donald
Pero
Harvey.
kamukha naman ni Kelly din.
Kamukha ni Kelly Williams
Bakit si
slash
Kelly yun?
Jabil Magi.
Bakit si Kelly yun? Baka yun ang sakit ni
Baka nga
Kelly,
si Kelly.
nag-iba ng anyo. Nag-iba ng anyo, o iba natin apelido nito.
Tapos yung tenga, parang Jabil Magi.
Oo, baka yun yun.
Pero, and then Ali Peaks getting healthier. Mukhang yung drive na itong Tokentex, mukhang
Actually,
nanumbalik.
I'm getting
Nakakatakot
scared.
na naman.
After watching them beat Ginebra like that,
Grabe.
I'm pretty scared about Tokentex. Chuck.
Ako, I'm really impressed at how San Mig Coffee is finding ways to win even without a healthy James Yap. Even with Ping, you know, having so many injuries, ankles niya.
Even losing teeth.
Yeah, di ba? Nasira yung scoring puzzle Fez niya, di ba? But they find ways to win eh. And it really comes with parang kung gaano sila kasanay to play with each other. And I think that's a big thing eh. Kasi may continuity sila. They still have Denzel Bowles who predicted na when he does get healthy,
Yes,
diba,
he was-
he's gonna win another championship for SMC. So, singin ko you can't discount how together San Miguel is that they've held on together despite injuries, losing streaks. Malaking bagay ito if they can get healthy in time for the playoffs.
Sinasabi mo lang ba yun dahil katabi kita?
Hindi, kasi sinabi na niya yung token text.
Ah, okay.
So,
So, hindi talaga San Mig.
pero magaling yung bench nila.
Coach Benji.
Depende sa mananalo sa quarters ng token text sa Petron.
Kanina nagalit ka!
Isa lang ba?
Nasabi
sabihin ni Nebra, pero since medyo kulang sila ngayon,
Maraming injuries.
daming injury.
Pero kung bumalik si Kagiwa,
Tigil na nga natin na balik. Pag bumalik sa Kagiwa, yes.
Wait lang, si Kagiwa pa babalik?
Hindi.
Any news?
He should be,
Test
pero
shot
how
today,
close
diba?
to 100%?
Kasi nakikita ko siya sa gym eh. Pag nag-gym ako, medyo
Ano pa? Hirap pa.
pag nagte-training
Naalanganin siya.
Kasi yung
Baka naman pumipacing lang.
come back from that right?
Baka naman, ano?
Oo, baka pumipacing lang.
Pero yung sinabi nga natin tungkol sa pacing.
Kaya nga eh. Baka hanggang doon lang eh.
Hindi nga,
Sa
sa
akin-
choice mo.
Petron.
Wow.
Gaya-gaya.
Ano pa bang... Ay,
Wow!
siguro.
Wow!
Sigurado ka?
Ako na
Alam mo bang Tower of Power yung sinasabihan mong yun?
Kasi,
Are you serious?
actually, Hinebra, kung makukuha nila si Japet. Kasi balita ako nagpapatrade.
Saan galing yun?
Saan kaya galing yung balitang yun?
Ano ba nagsabi ng kanina?
Siya.
Hindi ako ah!
Sabi nga niya kanina, oh, dapat i-trade na yun.
Kasi wala si Billy Mamared eh, matatagal.
Question, bakit ka namula?
Mainit eh. Mainit.
Mainit yung seat mo. Mainit yung seat.
So, your choice is Petron.
Hinebra,
Hinebra talaga.
kung ando si Japet. Kasi balita ako kinukuha na.
Balita mo rin, aabot ng playoffs, no?
No, bago mag-playoff, kailangan.
Oh, God.
Di ba?
Maikasa eh.
Kailangan malagay sa lineup.
Kailangan malagay.
Tama.
Pwede ba yun? Pwede ba yun?
Pwede.
Sabi ni Tower of Power, pwede.
So, depende yan. So, sino tatanggalin sa Hinebra?
Sino ka ba?
Sino?
Si Ellis.
Hindi galing sa akin yun.
Sa nakikita ko sa performance. Sa nakikita ko sa performance kasi ni Ellis. Diba? Para siyang coaching hinahatak, ganun. Bibitawa mong ganun. Ganun lang yung laro, walang ganun. Kasi Ellis tatanggapin nyo?
Hindi naman ang global.
Hindi, tatanggapin ng global.
Hindi ko alam. Barako ako eh. Wala akong kinalaman doon.
Teka, ang inat!
Buisit, ano?
So, hindi na kita tatanggihan eh.
Eh, tissue oy!
Mainit.